Hey everybody, welcome to, if you've seen the different experiment videos that I did in school, I'm going to show you the PowerPoint that I had to make for school to go along with it when we present them. So, here is the PowerPoint that goes along with it. So I'm going to close the window, close the blind, see if that affects the lighting of it. It doesn't really. Okay, I'll read you what's on each slide. How do different surfaces affect how long tops spin? Independent and dependent variable. Independent variable. Surfaces, dependent variable, spin time. Constants, top, launcher, height, speed range, which is between, we'll see that in a minute, person launching, and timer. So the top was Flame Libra. The launcher was the Digital Power Rip Gauge launcher by Hasbro. Then you had the height, which is 20 inches, 20 centimeters on a ruler. The speed range, I'll tell you that in a minute. The person launching was me. And the timer was Mr. Burnett, or Hot Johnny Hot. Hypothesis: if the surface is hard and smooth, the top will spin longer than on a soft surface because of more friction on soft and rough surfaces. Materials: launcher, timer, top or Beyblade, ruler, 3DS or camera, and surfaces. Okay, up here you have the Digital Power Launcher, which is the Takira version. You have a ruler, a timer, a 3DS, and a Samurai Afraid, even though that wasn't the Beyblade that I used. Procedure: measure launch height, launch Beyblade / top. Well, you're not going over there. Measure launch speed. Do not, 13 to 18. Do not record if launch speed is higher or lower than that range. Measure spin time when the fusion wheel / metal wheel hits the ground and record it. This is my data table, and I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on what I learned about it in the data. So I won't go through this one. Info, facts about it. Next slide, more random info about it. I had to take notes on it too. Here's a video, which you guys already seen. This video is done. This is the place it will come from on my YouTube Experiment School Part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then it has the link. Underneath it, you have a quote that Jenga said. I was bored, I didn't want to just have a slide that said video and all that stuff. So the quote says, "A Beyblade's true strength doesn't have anything to do with attack power or stamina. It attacks with the feeling of blader that's connected with it, as if all the power in the cosmos is being poured into it. You must put your heart that is big as the starry sky into it." Yes. Beyblade. Simply going over Libra. Flame Libra. T125ES. Here we go. Okay. Plus I did a whole unboxing video on that. Surfaces. I used 5 surfaces: carpet, tile, board, conference table, and a table. Surfaces of error: cracks in the tile, tip hitting the board and making a hole, indents in the table, and launch range and of launch. Data analysis, workspace table is the best place. Conclusion, my hypothesis was right. Do some further experiments. How do different performance tips go on different surfaces? Acknowledgements, Mr. Burnett, or Hot Johnny Hot, Bella, or Awesome Bella, and Jenga Hagane. And my Blader Spirit, the Legend Blader of Winter. That's the end of the slideshow. Okay, so I hope you're liking PowerPoint. I worked hard on it. This is the 4th draft of it. I went through a lot of different drafts to get to this point. And yes, and in the next video I'll just tell you what you need to do for it and how to make experiments similar to this.